Did you know that antioxidants are our body's natural defense mechanism against many diseases, including cancer? Hey everyone, welcome back to day 8 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Today we are talking about the importance of antioxidants and how they protect our bodies. So, what are antioxidants? They are the compounds that are found in many plant based foods. They help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and lead to diseases like cancer. Think of oxidation as rust forming on metal. Just like rust can weaken metal over time, oxidative stress can weaken our cells. Antioxidants act as protective coatings to keep our cells strong and healthy. Antioxidants help prevent cancer, support our immune system, improve health heart, and slow down the aging process. They can even help reverse certain diseases when we boost our diet with these powerful foods. Some of the best sources of antioxidants are berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fruits. A simple way to combine them in your diet is by doing a smoothie, having them in salads, snacks, and cooking with herbs and spices. I challenge you to add at least one antioxidant rich food to your meals every day this week. Comment below for your favorite antioxidant foods. And remember, small changes can make a big difference in your health. Stay resilient, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 9.